Baffle, meaning in English, to confuse, puzzle or bewilder someone. Meaning in Hindi, उलझन में डालना, चकित करना. Example in English, the strange question baffled the students. Example in Hindi, अजीब सवाल ने छात्रों को उलझन में डाल दिया. Bestow, meaning in English, to give or present something as an honor or gift. Meaning in Hindi, प्रदान करना, भेंट करना. Example in English, the university bestowed an honorary degree upon the scientist. विश्वविद्यालय ने वैज्ञानिक को मानद उपाधि प्रदान की.
Belated. Meaning in English, happening later than expected or usual. Delayed. Meaning in Hindi, vilambit, der se. Example in English, she sent me a belated birthday card. Example in Hindi, उसने मुझे देर से जन्मदिन का कार्ड भेजा. Behove. Meaning in English, to be appropriate, necessary, or suitable for someone to do. Meaning in Hindi, शोभा देना, उचित होना, आवश्यक होना. Example in English, it would behove you to be honest in this situation. Example in Hindi, इस स्थिति में तुम्हारे लिए ईमानदार होना उचित होगा.
Extol meaning English, to praise highly, to admire or glorify someone something. Meaning Hindi, प्रशंसा करना, गुणगान करना. English, the teacher extolled the student's hard work. Hindi, शिक्षक ने छात्र की मेहनत की प्रशंसा की. 2. Evasive, meaning English, tending to avoid giving a direct answer, trying to escape or avoid something. Meaning Hindi, टाल मटोल करने वाला, बचने वाला. English example, the minister gave an evasive reply to the difficult question. Hindi, मंत्री ने कठिन प्रश्न का टाल मटोल वाला उत्तर दिया.